Hi everyone, it's Akasha, and today's video, I don't even know how to start this video off, so I'm just gonna tell you guys. So I got a MacBook yesterday. I'm gonna, I guess, kind of compare my HP to my MacBook. So let me just get the box out and all that. So it's in here. So I'm gonna grab the case to show you guys what case I got. So now, to get started on this, I literally didn't open it, literally. And I wasn't gonna get the one with the touch bar, but then I decided at the last minute, why not? So here we are, and it has all the specs on the back. So there is a headphone jack, stereo speakers, touch bar, touch ID, backlit keyboard with the light sensor, 13.3-inch Retina LED display, and 2.4 gigahertz. But I have 8 gigabytes for like memory and then 256 gigabytes for the SSD. I kind of feel like maybe I should have gotten more memory. It's fine. It's too late. And then there's 4 Thunderbolt, the ones that you see in the little picture on there. If you guys hear screaming, it's my niece. I got this in space gray, so yeah. Oh my god, this thing is like really wrapped. I don't want to stab it like with a knife or anything. Got it. I gently ripped the back end. I know it probably looked like I was stabbing it, but I literally just created a little rip right here to get it open. Oh my god, why am I struggling at this? Okay. Oh my god. I'm just trying to be so careful. Oh my god, it's so nice! It's so freaking smooth. It's sleek. Oh, and this is the space gray color. It's so nice. I guess that is the charger in there. Oh, and there's the cube. I don't know if my head was in the way. Oh my god. This feels thinner than I thought it was gonna be. Maybe mine's is just fat. I'm gonna have to turn off the autofocus on my camera. Okay. Oh my god. Holy cow, it's so nice. Oh, my laptop isn't compared to this. Oh, it's the other way. I was gonna open it. Oh, I guess I do have to open it this way if you guys want to see it. Oh my god, I want to be so careful. And there's the little touch bar. Oh, it's already turning on. You guys see that? Maybe it's like set up to do that the moment you get it out. So it says on here, let me just try to put this box away. I need to take my charger out though, because I'm gonna need that. And this. Wow, and already I feel like this screen is so much bigger than my HP. Like it goes out farther to the edge than mine does. It's just asking the language first. So I'm just setting this up and I'll probably give you guys like a full review or something afterwards. Right now it's just asking language and then it asks state. It says choose a keyboard layout. I chose US. Choose Wi-Fi. I'm gonna choose my Wi-Fi network. Oh my god, this keyboard is so nice. Hopefully I can keep it nice and clean. And look, the little thing is on too now, the little touch bar. The buttons are like, wow, that's so weird. The buttons look like they're like, but on my end they're just like normal. On the camera it looks like they're like changing colors, but they're not. So now it's just asking if I want to transfer any information. And it actually has an option here to transfer from a Windows PC, a Mac, Time Machine Backup, or Starter Disk, but I'm just going to choose don't transfer any information. I'm just going to start clean, but I'm going to sign into my Apple ID now. It's asking me to sign in, so that's what we're going to do. I type so fast on here, or maybe I just feel like I'm typing fast because my laptop is slow. But it's asking me terms and conditions. I'm just going to say agree. Okay, it wants me to come up with a password. It's just setting up my iCloud. Okay, I'm just gonna try to get this case on really quick while it's loading my stuff. Okay, it's asking if I want the iCloud keychain. So that's the top with the case on. So I'm just gonna set up Siri and do all this extra jaunt. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. So it's asking me to just do like a little fingerprint thing. It says lift and rest your finger on the Touch ID repeatedly. It allows you to choose a color, so I'm just trying to debate between those two because I'm really not sure which one I should do, light or dark. I feel like I should do dark. Okay, so now it's just setting up. It says it's setting up, and I will compare my window to this. I thought that when I opened my laptop, like maybe all my conversations would load up, but I don't see all my combos on here, like at all. It said it starts new, you gotta pair your phone with your Mac. I don't know anything about tech. I should probably know a lot more. I'm financing it. I kept hearing that it's a better idea to just buy it, but then some people were like, no, finance it. But I am gonna be a full-time student next semester. I was full-time my first semester, part-time my spring semester. I'm taking 3 summer classes, and I also work 2 jobs. So I really wanted to just buy the MacBook, but then I had to end up spending $1,100. I had to get a root canal in my mouth. I was getting all these like medical things done, and then I also had to pay $600 on my classes. So I was like, okay, forget this. I still need a laptop. I'm just gonna finance it. I had to upgrade. So now that you guys have watched that video, I just want to apologize for the autofocus because it was kind of horrible. I recorded this a couple months back, and I don't know what was going on, why I didn't turn off the autofocus, but aside from that and my niece screaming in the background of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the accessories. So I bought an Amazon case that hadn't come in by the time I bought the laptop. It was a nice clear case, but it cracked after me taking it off and putting it on twice. And then I bought the Best Buy case that you guys will see right here. So here's the case I got. This is the brand name right here. Oh, I get it like in case, okay, whatever. So here's the case, which I ended up returning. I ended up getting a spec case. I don't remember how much it was. It's a really protective case, and I had that one on for months until literally 2 months ago I got a new case. So this is the case from Spec. It has like this rubberized edge. It's like really bulky. Like the actual laptop only takes up like this much of space, and this is like really bulky, but it's good for protection, which you can definitely tell it protected a lot because there's a lot of scratches left in there. And now I have this, it's like a matte black case, and I got this one just because I wanted something lighter and less bulky compared to this. But these are the only 2 cases I have. The Amazon one, I returned it because it cracked, and then the Best Buy one, I was just like, this is too expensive, and I didn't really like it, so I returned it. And this has like some USB ports and an SD card port, so I can connect my SD card because of the little Thunderbolt ports, you can't really connect a USB directly in, so I have to have that in addition to it. And I'll link the case that I have right now, the black one, and I'll link the USB port thing in the description. Some things that I did not like at first when I got this was I had to reformat my SD card and my flash drive, and I'm so sorry if it sounds like I don't know anything about MacBooks. It's because I don't. My old laptop was like $400, and then this one's like $2,000 plus, but I got my old one when I was 16. I paid half for it, and my dad paid the other half, and then this one I'm paying for, but I knew I needed to get something like this because my old one gave out within 2.5 years, and it was just really bad. Like, you would turn up the brightness and it wouldn't turn up until 5 minutes later, or the sound would sometimes give out and like it would sound like it was like possessed. I don't know how to explain it. And that was the HP Pavilion 360 that did that. One of my friends has the same laptop, except hers was a 15-inch. I don't know if she has a new one now. And I remember asking her one day when I noticed that she had the same laptop if she was having the same problems, and she said she was. So if you guys want like, I don't know, like a what's on my MacBook video, or some sort of like very detailed review on like the differences, let me know. I will upload a video like that. Otherwise, if you stayed till the end, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.